to be funny. You know, you can learn to be funny. And what I have found is great news, is the more you see funny, the more likely the be funny will fall into place if you so desire. I remember early in my speaking career, a gentleman coming up to me after one of my presentations. He's like, "Oh, you're so funny. Have you always been so funny?" And I said, "I guess." But a month or so later, I was having dinner with my mom and I said, "Hey Mom, was I always this funny?" And she looked at me and then she went, "No." I was crushed. I was like, "What?" And she said, "You were always the one with the sunny disposition." And at first it kind of hurt my feelings, but then I got excited because what I realized was that because I recognized how important humor was, that I could learn to be funny. I was willing to take more risks because I knew that the benefits exceeded the risks. So what I would encourage you to do is identify some humor styles that are comfortable for you, that are authentic for you. Authenticity is one of the 7 building blocks that I've identified. And if you want to learn more about that, check out the resources that are affiliated with this video. The other piece about this, I've also developed a tool called the Humor Constellation. And this identifies 12 of the most common ways people express their humor. And when you can identify what are the ways that you express humor that are most comfortable for you, let's work on your strengths and show you how to leverage those. And then maybe take one that's a little bit outside of your comfort zone and show you how to leverage that. But primarily, it's setting the intention, being willing to step outside of your comfort zone, and when you bomb, and you will, it's okay. Nobody died. You get up, you dust off your knees, and you do it again. And keep trying, and you're gonna get so juiced and so jazzed. I have to tell you, because when you are successfully funny, you get a dopamine hit and your brain's like, "Whoa, that felt good." And you'll just wanna do it again and again. It gets really addictive. So I encourage you, take a chance, experiment, step out of your comfort zone, and try being funny.